What's up everybody, it's your boy RootHunter here. Today we are going to talk about some serious security issues related to a web application that is really popular right now because everybody is using this application for web conferencing, like attending online meetings, attending online classes, and etc. etc. So this application got really popular due to COVID-19 pandemic because everything is shut down because of the pandemic. Like people are working from home and students are taking classes from home and etc etc etc. So this application was found in 2011, but it got really popular in this pandemic. So yes, I'm talking about the Zoom web conferencing application. There is two, not one, there is two zero-day vulnerabilities in the Zoom application, one for macOS client and one for Windows. So we are going to discuss these vulnerabilities in this video. Stay tuned till the end. So like if you're using macOS, so this application allows hackers to gain access of your root account in your macOS and gain access of the camera and microphone of your MacBook. So if you are using Windows, so Zoom is also having the vulnerabilities in Windows client. So it allows hackers to steal your username and the NTLM hash of your operating system and evenly getting the RCE of your operating system. So as I said, this application is really bad at security and privacy. So Zoom claims they're having best security and privacy features in it, and it's having end-to-end encryption of AES 256-bit, but it's not. Every web conferencing application does not have any end-to-end encryption. So they're saying Zoom takes your privacy extremely seriously and only collects the data from individual using the Zoom platform required to provide the service and ensure its delivery effectively. And they even says we never have or have no future intentions to sell your information to advertisers. Come on, Zoom is already selling our data to the advertisers like Facebook and other third parties. But there is a catch. They didn't sell data for money. They sell data for advertisements. So when the advertisement goes up, they get the revenue back. So that's how they sell our data. Now come to the next point. Zoom does not monitor your meeting or its content. Okay. So as I said, this application is not having end-to-end encryption. Even Google Hangout also not having end-to-end encryption. So what that means, if someone man in the middle try to extract information out of your network about the Zoom application, so no, they are not able to extract the information about Zoom application. But the third parties collaborated with the Zoom, and Zoom application can see our data because it's not end-to-end encrypted. So they can see our pictures, they can see our videos, they can see what we share on their platform. So this is the article saying Zoom is leaking people's email addresses and photo to the strangers because Zoom is not having any privacy and security features. So they are so bad at privacy and security. So that's why Google, SpaceX, Standard Chartered, and even Taiwan has banned the Zoom web conference application. In India, some schools are also banning this application, but some are not. So I'm really suggesting that please stay away from Zoom as far as you can, because this application invade your privacy and security. Even a hacker can get into your system and steal your information. So the question arrives, is there any alternative for the Zoom? So yeah, there is so many alternative for the Zoom, like Zoho Meeting and the Skype, and we are having Google Duo and other applications. So it's up to you what application is really benefit for you. So before using any application, just please check their privacy and security features. Please check their terms and conditions for get to know better about the applications. These kind of things really secure users from this kind of terrible attacks and this kind of terrible things. So that's it from my side today. If you enjoyed the video, hit a thumbs up and subscribe button. Smash that subscribe button. Hope to see you in the next video. See you again. Bye bye. Ta-da.